Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mooney. In today's video, boyfriend and I are heading to North San Diego County. We are heading to go hiking at Cedar Creek Falls for the very first time. But day one, we are going to stay in the hotel Riviera Oaks Resort. So let's park and go inside and take a look, see how the hotel room looks like. Here we go, let's go inside. Let's turn on the light and check around. This is not bad, you know. This is the closest hotel to the hiking area. Here's the kitchen area. They have microwave, refrigerator. It's just like an apartment, just one room apartment, like a small condo. There's a place where you go sit down and have your dinner or lunch. Yeah, we're gonna be staying here day one. And then day two, we're going to head out and go to Cedar Creek Falls. Enjoy the day over there. Let's check out the room here. We just have one room. I believe this is queen size or king size. We got plenty of room here to put your clothes. Closet on the other side. So yeah, it's like a big apartment, pretty good size to me. There's one sink bathroom. Here's the where you go shower. Not bad. We pay about $150 a night. We're only gonna stay one day. This is the closest hotel that we find to the fall, you know, to go hiking. It's only like, I think 5-minute drive away. That's why we chose this place. Just gonna sit here and chill for a little bit. Beautiful weather for this month. I would come like during early spring, but we're here in March, so beautiful weather. The temperature is like around 75 right now. Love the fresh air. Always love California. Let's go check out the pool area. They got one jacuzzi and one pool. Beautiful mountain view over here. So yeah, nice relaxing day before heading out tomorrow. It's gonna be a long walk, long hiking. They got a bicycle here that you can go enjoy your day, and it's free. So that's the hotel name right there. I'm about to go right around the neighbor. Get warm up for tomorrow because it's gonna be a long hiking, at least 3 to 4 hours. I love going hiking, love going to see waterfall, so yeah, I'm excited. Michael is enjoying his day. I haven't ride bicycle for like since I was teenager, so I'm glad I still know how. Just thought I'd show you guys a little nature over here. Some cactus there. Alright, day two, here we are. Heading Cedar Creek Falls, location at North San Diego County. Alright, here we are. This is like all the information in the map. So let's go walk around. Wow, beautiful. You guys ready to go? So let's go. I'm showing you guys the plant nature stuff here that they have. Some cactus and succulent, prickly pear. So we're gonna be seeing some of this along the way. Just showing you guys a little info before we heading out there. Such a beautiful view. When you come over here, there's more information here. There's yucca, some wild snake over here, rattlesnake, so you gotta watch out. I'll probably bring some wood stick with me while I'm walking, just in case something, jumped on me. Got mountain lion there too. So yeah, make sure you guys read about all this before you go. We got our permit at Recreation.gov for like $6 for groups. So I would recommend you guys bring like a hat, sunglasses, and a comfortable hiking boot or comfortable hiking shoe. I would also bring like 2 bottles of 1 liter of water and maybe some snacks, or like what we did, we bring some blueberry and some mixed nuts, and that keep us, surviving. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty long walk. So right now I'm just showing you guys all the information, the map and everything around here. Yeah, $6 for the groups, which is not bad to get your permit online. I would recommend you guys get your permit like maybe a few weeks ahead before you heading down there. We just got lucky. We got a permit like first few days right away. So yeah. All right, here we go. I got my wood stick ready. I can wear a comfortable shoe. The road is pretty bumpy on the walking trail here. So important wear a really good shoe. So I hope that my shoe is comfortable, good enough. And I hope I make it to the end and back. I'm pretty sure the trails gets pretty bumpy and rocky. I'm going down a hill here. This is my very first time here, me and my guys, so I can tell you as I go. Showing you as I go. We are going down. See how it gets pretty kind of bumpy. Taking a little sip of water here. We bring a small bottle of water. We bring like almost 10 bottles with us. 4 or 5 each. So we try to drink like 3 each, going down and coming back up. So I would recommend 2 bottles each, 1 liter would be perfect. There goes Michael, already far past me. I'm trying to carefully walk so I don't slip and fall. Going downhill here. I enjoy the beautiful mountain. Look at that. Nice and green, fresh air early in the morning. Well, not early in the morning. It's 10:30. We started at 10:30. The weather is perfect. Like, it's only like 70, 75 degrees. I'm just gonna take a little break right here for a few minutes and then we'll continue. Have some sip of water, enjoy the view. Oh, so far I'm loving it, guys. I think you guys gonna love it here too. I can already feel to recommend you guys coming here. This is the kind of thing that I enjoy, for, going to take 2 hours to the fall and then 2 hours back. I can do it. It'll be a lot faster if you don't stop, but me, I have to do some video for you guys to see, so I stop and I enjoy the beautiful wildflower here. Look at that little cute yellow flower. I love it. I just have to stop and see all the mother nature have to show us, right? I'm into it. I don't know about you guys. I know you want to see the waterfall, so do I, but I gotta check out. Look at this beautiful purple flower, so pretty. I'm a garden girl, so I love the hiking, I love waterfall, I love gardening. I have my other channel, you guys can check that out, Mooney's Garden and Plant World. This channel is all about traveling and also enjoying the nature too. Beautiful wildflower, look at that. Such a pretty, bright purple pink. Just take a little moment and enjoy the flower, guys, before we continue. This would give me a little break so I don't have to think about when am I going there yet, when am I there yet. I'm here to enjoy my day, so I'm taking my time. Look at those mountains. Some more wildflower here. I don't know what kind of flower, but it's nice to see. Oh, look at this one. Beautiful pink. Look at the leaf. Look like umbrella leaves, right? With the very furry and fuzzy. Little spiky, so be careful when you guys touch it. So pretty. It has a sea pot too. There's some more flower. Oh, this one's pretty. Yellow flower. This is the break of flower time, guys. This is the moment that I enjoy so much when I go hiking. I just love to check out everything along the way. Take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out. The weather is so nice. I would recommend you guys go during the springtime or early March. If you are going summertime, please bring a lot of water with you. I would go like early in the morning. I just want to play with this yellow flower. So pretty. Maybe I'll pick a few for my souvenir. Look at that, how gorgeous. So pretty. I just love it. Can't help it. Alright, now we're gonna continue walking. I'm showing you guys, see how it gets rougher when you go down farther. Showing you the line, see where we're gonna go hiking all the way over there. Long way to go. I see my finger pointing where the hiking trail is. This is kind of look like we going hiking in the, what they call that, China brick wall. It's pretty far walk. This is a good exercise. That's why I take a little break here and there, just looking at the flower. Now I got some energy to go continue walking. Take as much break you want, enjoy it. Don't be in a hurry, that's why you're there. Right over here it gets pretty rough, and be careful so you don't fall over the cliff here. My guy's like, come on, hurry, let's go. Alright, we are getting close. So here we are. This is the first small creek right here. It's not a bad, walk across the water here. Of course, we here are not raining season right now, so maybe when it has rain, it's gonna be more fuller of water. Let's just enjoy a little moment of seeing this beauty of the creeks here. This is the first creek. I made it to the end. This is how it looks like. So easy walk around here. This is creek number 2 over here. I'm just cut it short a little bit so that you guys don't have to be here all day in the video. This is not a bad walking across, you're not gonna get your feet wet. And if you do, it's okay. By the time you're going back to your car, it's all gonna be dry up. Pretty long walk. Just showing you guys the beauty of this creek here. Creek number 2. Michael made it. The sound of the water. I enjoy it. I love it. The weather is so perfect. I'm so glad we are here in March. Alright, let's continue. Go to creek number 3. I just cut it short so we can be there faster for you guys. I made it. This is creek number 3 before we head to the grand finale. See, look at that. It's not a bad walking across at all. Oh, look at this beautiful flower. It matched my pants. It's like a purple and white. How odd. We match. Mother Nature. So gorgeous. That is huge. Look at the flower. It's like the size of my hand. Alright, here we are walking through all this big giant rock here. Just a little bumpy climbing. Alright, I'm coming down. Here we are, we're getting close, guys. I did it! Sorry, I'm just a little goofy and funny. There's a few people there already enjoying. You can see the waterfall there. Alright, just a little climbing up here. Be very careful, guys. I got my stick here to help me. I made it. Almost made it. Alright, yay! Here's Michael with his Yankee hat, enjoying our day here, chilling.
This was my backyard.
Check out that beautiful view. Lovely waterfall.
Ooh, nice place, Cedar Creek Falls, 50 miles north of San Diego.
Beautiful Cedar Creek Fall. It's about 80 feet waterfall that drop into clear blue pool. absolutely stunning, peaceful, and it's worth it visiting, guys. I highly recommend it. Very, very gorgeous. I feel very calm and peaceful here. You can sit down, have your lunch here, take a little long break as long as you want, and it's just enjoyable. Very, very nice. Round trip to hiking, it's about 5.4 miles. It takes us longer because we video camming and stopping and taking break and taking picture. If you don't do non-stop, you probably go, less an hour than we do. I just enjoy the beauty, so I stop every corner as I can so I can have energy, continue walking. Going back up might be a little bit harder because it's about 1,000 feet elevation going back, so you might want to take a funny break and bring plenty of water with you. And so yeah, I had a great time. I highly recommend it. My first time here, and I enjoy it so much, and we both enjoy it, and we'll probably come here again some other time with our friends. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next time. Bye.